Good evening, everyone. I am Ankita Bhomik and I am from Srirampur, Hubli. Now I am student of third year and I am pursuing my BTech degree from Impact Academy, Destiny of Success, which is in Baitabati, Hubli. Our academy has organized a student development program on machine learning using Python. So today's topic is machine learning using Python, and I am going to present a presentation on this vital topic. So let's see what our index contains. But first is, what is machine learning, why to use machine learning, or features of machine learning, history of machine learning, future with machine learning, application of machine learning, conclusion and acknowledgement. So what is machine learning? Machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence and machine learning both are very connected. That machine learning in artificial intelligence or AI in machine learning, both is very fast and versatile field right now. So that provides the system the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. So this is one of the most important feature of machine learning, that is, machine learning improve itself by experience previous data and experience, and make the versatile field. Machine learning focuses on the development of computer programs that can access data and use it, learn from themselves. Machine learning is all about data, and machine learning is based on data. It makes it all about data, and it learn from the data. If you give some data previously and if you give them again, so machine learning will find it from that previous data. That is the one of the very good feature of it. This is a picture of machine learning, 7 steps of machine learning. By these 7 steps, we can achieve a machine learning program. So let's see. First one is gathering data. So for anything achievement, for achieving anything, we have to gather or collect data information first. So this is also be useful here, that gathering data, so we have to collect all the data. Second step is preparing the data. Preparing the data means we have to sort it out, we have to make the right data together. Third one is choosing a model. According to the data, we have to choose a model. We have to prepare a model which we are going to achieve. So fourth point is training. We have to train our brain, we have to train our model, we have to train our data, and we have to train our co-partners. Training is the basic and very main part of any group work or any program work. So this is, and fifth point is evaluation. Evaluation is the innovation. You have to evaluate all the data by this evaluation you can achieve innovative things. So you have to evaluate everything. So sixth point is hyperparameter tuning and prediction. We have to predict. We cannot make anything. We cannot make anything without prediction. We have to first see. We have to first dream. Then you can achieve that. So hyperparameter, 6 point is hyperparameter tuning. So what is hyperparameter tuning? Hyperparameter tuning is the problem of choosing a set of optimal hyperparameters for a learning algorithms. A hyperparameter is a parameter whose value is used to control the learning process basically. So this is, and this all our 7 steps. Then next slide is why to use machine learning. So we have to know why we should use machine learning. The iterative aspects of machine learning is important because as modular models are exposed to new data, they are able to independently adapt. This is not we are making our software, then we are giving some data on it. After that, if we need something to add, we cannot. But machine learning provides that. Machine learning have that facility, that it gives us that facility to entry the new data. So this is the one of the very useful things of it. So features of machine learning. First point is machine learning uses data or detect various patterns in a given data set. What is the meaning of it? Machine learning uses, if we are giving some different data and it is predicting that you are giving flowers data and animals data, it will predict very nicely that that is which one is flower and which one is animals. So this is the feature. It can learn from past data and improve automatically. If that I said earlier that we are giving some data previously and after some days or some year we are giving the same data, correct that data automatically. It will improve that self automatically. You cannot give it the same data again and again. It will improve itself automatically. Third point is it is a data driven technology, and we know that machine learning is all about data. I said that machine learning is all about data, data, collect data and give it to machine learning, and machine learning improve itself automatically. Machine learning is much similar to data mining as it also deals with the huge amount of data. It can access, machine learning can access itself with a huge amount of data. So this is one of the very good feature. So next is history of machine learning. This is a picture we can see. There's three parts. That first is artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. So first, since earlier we got artificial intelligence or AI in 1950s. So machine learning is the subset of artificial intelligence and deep learning is a subset of machine learning. So this is a vast field, and this is a nowadays all about machine learning, all about artificial intelligence. So from the very earlier days to nowadays and in future days, it is going to be spread very fastly. So this is all about this is deep learning, machine learning and artificial intelligence. This is from our history. So now the next slide is future with machine learning. So I told you we learned that history of machine learning, we see history of machine learning, but what is about future of machine learning? We have to see that. So this is future with machine learning. uh, Future with machine learning. Machine learning is currently one of the important topic in IT sector. That I said artificial intelligence to deep learning and machine learning. This is spreading itself very fastly in IT sectors. This is extremely booming field at present as it is capable of providing powerful solutions that might be impossible to think of using the rule-based program. So that is the machine learning gives us the facility and the powerful solution that we cannot get that kind of solution from others rule-based programs. So only we are dependable on this machine learning field. So future of machine learning is as vast as the limits of human mind. So we are comparing human minds with the machine learning. So just think what is going to happen with this field. AI of machine learning is going to take a all-rounder part of our digital or non-digital life. And here is some examples of vital uses of artificial intelligence. So future of artificial intelligence, and we can see science to healthcare, digital marketing to transportation, robot assistants to defense, cyber security to chatbots. Everything is with everything is all about artificial intelligence. So um, uh, all these points are very useful to our lives, to all over the world. This is the defense. We all know in all the borders, many soldiers are giving their lives for our country, for their country. So. We can use robots with using artificial intelligence, and we can save many soldiers lives, and it will be digital lives if we use that. So just think about it. Chatbots that we Google assistants that we talk, we it predict our voice recognition. That is cyber security. Nowadays cyber security is very important part. So AI is also there, and healthcare, science to transportation, digital marketing, all is about our artificial intelligence. So third is applications of machine learning. This is the two pictures we can see applications of machine learning. uh, First picture is there is very many very points that social media services, online customer support, product recommendations, video surveillance, automatic translations, virtual personal assistants, everything. And this in this picture pick that virtual personal assistants, online fraud detection. This is nowadays very risky part of our lives, that by artificial intelligence we can detect the real or fake people's voice or face detection. This is a very vast field. um, this is automatic translation, traffic prediction. By traffic prediction we can save um, humans life. We can stop accidents. So very uh, important part of artificial intelligence. All these application of machine learning we can see in our daily lives to future life and predicted life. Artificial intelligence is all there. Third point is conclusion. So we are here to conclude our presentation. Machine learning is included with AI platform and others, is a vast and versatile field. Nowadays, with future times, machine learning will be used to solve real world problems by sorting, manipulating, and retrieving data from a large source. We can sort it out, or again make it up by retrieving data. We can make a good machine learning program. So we are expecting a digital world with machine learning in upcoming years after rescued the world from this pandemic. So this is and acknowledgement. So I would like to thank our Impact Academy and our beloved Professor Mr. Sanjit Madhumdar sir for giving me a chance to present this presentation on vital topic. So thank you, and a big thank you to all. Thank you so much.